What's your name?
Mohammed Ali, guys.
Yo, crazy. Whoa, everybody, what a crazy weekend. This was the best trip and probably the best day of my life. Crazy. Oh shit. Last year I said I'm gonna come back and we did, and I did the show unexpectedly. It wasn't a plan, it was crazy.
This year I realized also the dream of dancing on Battle of the Year stage with an I Am Possible shirt on me. You can't see the logo because it's black, but it was there. And also I had another t-shirt to throw in the crowd, which I did, and it was amazing. I felt free, I felt possible.
Blue hair was no plan, bro. Was not in the plan, bro. I had this opportunity to become Tomifly, the Super Saiyan with blue hair for one day. Wow, making things possible, motherfuckers. Everybody's partying right now because, of course, there's the after party, and I packed my bags. I'm ready to take off in a few hours. I go to Marseille.
I didn't go to the party because I needed to sleep before hitting the way early in the morning. But I told them to bring the whole club into our room, so I welcome everyone, give them my blessing, and leave back to Slovenia.
Welcome, no problem. Everybody, let's go. Father! Oh shit!
Explícale lo que ha pasado. Han venido a robar el calor. ¿Qué miras el móvil, gilipollas? No, motherfucker.
I was sleeping. They bring the after party because anyway I need to go in 15 minutes. I need to take the bus, motherfucker.
Impossible is the shit.
The real question about 2019 Battle of the Year is, what didn't happen?
It's crazy, yo.
Bro, you need to choose the work.
It's not the work, it's the life, bro. You just see the balcony, you climb the balcony.
I want to this motherfucker t-shirt for free.
I have the bus in 20 minutes.
Yes, eh?
Always like this, on time. I go to Marseille and then I fly back to Venice in Italy. And then I go back home to Slovenia. Crazy life.
I sold my jacket for 30 euro, and guess what? I only had 30 euro for the taxi drive, which happened to be exactly 30 euro.
Everybody, that's crazy.
Besides everything that happened, what's your name?
Mohammed Ali, guys.
Yo, crazy. I just met Mohammed Ali. Not the original one, but yo, Tommy the Tomifly. Oh shit. Whew. Damn.
Ladies and gentlemen.
All the free time I don't spend at dance events or editing videos, I spent shooting videos, walking around, getting inspired, dreaming with my eyes open.
Oh shit. Crazy, yo. C'est pour YouTube. Subscribe, eh? Another day, another taxi, 50 euro, pam, no problem. Time fly. Tomifly. Yeah. Je ne prends pas le taxi jamais, non, parce que c'est cher. Ouais. En France, c'est cher. Aujourd'hui, maintenant, je n'ai pas du temps. C'est le premier et le dernier jour. Yes, love it. C'est très beau, c'est très beau. Yeah. Amazing, everybody. I just made a new friend and I let the Snipes clothes in his car, so he's gonna pick me up to take me to the airport. more money flying, Tommy flying too. So now I'm gonna visit the terrace. I'm just gonna go grab a coffee, fly the drone, fly Tomifly. I don't know, bro. My last hours, you gotta use it to the max. C'est ça, c'est bon, c'est... Ha!
I was so inspired after the whole weekend of super craziness, and I was ready to come back and live new adventures.
Tomifly, wake up.
Okay. Yeah, just keep my phone, finish the video, upload, and c'est bon, c'est bon.
C'est bon.
Thank you so much.
This for me.
M'a fait plaisir.
Moi aussi.
Everybody, thanks for watching. It was the very first class experience from Battle of the Year by Tomifly from Slovenia with love. And talking about first class, yo, I got the first row seat on the airplane, so it made me VIP again, and it made me believe that dreams can come true. As my Battle of the Year experience came true, you can live your dream, you can do anything you want, because we are all possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Yeah!